Now that we have our automatic aliases working right, let's go ahead and add a couple more tours. I'm going to go ahead and click the Add Content link in the shortcut bar. I'm going to click Tour. And let's go ahead and copy the content from our data sheet. I'm going to move on to the next piece of content, the next tour. I'm going to go ahead and put this on fast forward. All I'm going to be doing is copying the content from our source into the form. We don't need a new revision. Our URL path is going to be generated automatically. We don't need to alter authoring information or publishing options. Let's go ahead and click Save. Okay, and we can see up here that our alias is being generated properly. Let's go ahead and add another tour. I'm going to click Add Content and then click Tour. Now we've been coming to this page often and we have quite a few more tours to add. So it might make sense to create a shortcut to this page. And we can do so by adding a new item to this shortcut bar. To the right of most headings in the admin page, you can see this little plus sign. And if you hover over it, it says Add to Default Shortcuts. And you can go ahead and click this, and it will add the item to the shortcut bar. You see we have Tour here. Now Tour isn't exactly descriptive for this, so let's go ahead and modify the text of this shortcut. I'm going to go ahead and click Edit Shortcuts. And here we have a list of the shortcuts that are part of our bar, and I'm going to go ahead and click Edit next to Tour. For our name, I'm just going to put Add Tour, and then I'm going to click Save. And now if you look in our shortcut bar, we now have a link that says Add Tour. And so now when we need to add a new tour, we can just click this button instead of jumping through the content page and then clicking on Tour.